Today we are going to get a prep done on a refurbished laptop for a client, and we're going to show you the procedures and the steps in the process. Enjoy! So step one is that we've got ourselves a new 1 terabyte solid state drive and some new RAM to put in to make that 16 gigabytes of RAM. We're going to use the tools of the trade here, the screwdriver and the little pry bar here in order to get the bottom off. And once we have that completed, we will load a fresh copy of Windows 11 on it, and then we'll move to the next step, which is to actually clean up the screen and everything, just using that, and then doing a full outside cleaning of it, making sure that there is no sticky parts or anything from previous labels, and to shine it up all real nice and for the client so that it looks immaculate. Okay, so stage one, we're just going to unscrew the bottom and take the bottom off so that we can gain access to the inner part of the computer, and then that way we can swap out the hard drive and the RAM. And now, as you can see, we have the back off, and we're going to install the new hard drive. This fits in like so. And then the RAM is over here. And that part's done. Now we've already taken care to make sure that all these connectors are connected properly and that we've cleaned the fan. So on to the next step, putting it back together and loading Windows 11. So we've completed putting it back together and loading, and now we're just turning it on for a full boot test. All the updates, the driver, the BIOS, and the firmware have also been updated to the latest version. And there we go. Windows 11 Pro. And there we go, all cleaned up and ready for sale.